ba? Malay ko ba? Oo, makakala. Parang alam ko na. Gusto ko na kinakabang. Kagalingan niya dyan. Galing. Bakit?
Filipino! Hey you, are you Filipino? How about you? Are you Filipino?
Yes.
I like to think that I am a Filipino. Filipino? I'm as good a Filipino as anyone. Ha ha! Love them, love them, love them, love them, love them, love them. But my heart does not feel when I hear the national anthem being played. Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. And my blood does not race when I see our flag fluttering in the breeze. And yes, very often, I find myself asking, how Filipino am I really? Boom boom, flash, boom boom, flash, boom boom.
Lakas! Lakas!
Flash, boom boom.
Nice pass.
Ever since I was a child, I never felt I was really a Filipino. Filipino, Filipino. In fact, I'm a pure-blooded Balamaw, an indigenous group, while under the rigorous. And for someone who comes from a tribe in the northern mountains of the Philippines, nationalism is a boring word. Growing up, I learned to put up with the strong ethnic bias of this country. I come face to face with our derogatory attitudes of Filipinos towards the indigenous people.
I endured years of humiliating jokes in spite of how we
Boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, boom boom.
Nice. Sana mo na.
Yes.
Boom boom.
Third place lang, okay na.
At first, to fight, to speak out.
Hindi ko na nag-iisip na about ethnicity. Becomes offensive.
Boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, boom boom.
Kasi ang nila sound.
But this led to my laughter and unbelieving reports.
Ha! Kung igurot ka, eh ba't naputi ka?
I hated your ignorance and meanness.
Sin! I was the one-born minority. Dum para para dum para para zoom. Dum para para dum para para zoom.
Hindi maganda
Dum
eh.
para para dum para para zoom. Dum 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 para para dum para para zoom. Through the years, I developed a strong animosity and indifference for this nation. I wanted to be proud. I was Filipino, but I had no reason to hold on to.
As I stepped into college and entered the Luzon, I grew closer to the wrong scandal.
Scandal?
Corruption. uwa.
Sige, uwa.
Omnitotom nakasige uwa. Sige, uwa. Omnitotom nakasige uwa. Sige, uwa. Omnitotom nakasige uwa. Sige, uwa. After graduation, I joined the 2009 Bawat Kalinga Bayani Challenge in Zamboanga with a team. Only for the brave, I worked hand in hand with a team, and I was slowly transformed into a different person. My perspective changed. The moving stories of beneficiaries and the powerful testimonies of volunteers ignited the long-gone hope inside me. I finally found something I can do that can ultimately make a difference. It was more than feelings and emotions. For in my San Bernardino, I held tangible hope. Fueled by this passion,
Please, huwag kayo
I
magkamali.
worked like I've never worked before. I wasn't just feeling out hollow blocks. I was building dreams. I was helping build a nation. There is hope for the Philippines. An overwhelming sense of pride flooded me, and I felt the heart drop, sobbing in great release. For the first time in my life, I was proud to be a Filipino. Tumbala, tumbala, tumbalatin. 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 I am one of the thousands who have been changed. This is the new rally of my generation. My generation. Lesser talk, silence. Forward. I am proud. Very, very proud. Because underneath my ignorant sight, dug, 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 beats a Filipino heart. Filipino, Filipino, Filipino. Indeed, now is the best time to be a F-I-L-I-P-I-N-O, F-I-L-I-P-I-N, 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 Filipino!
Please.
Filipino, 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 Filipino.
Ang lupit.
3 to Archimedes.